Huawei's latest smartphone called Huawei Nova 13 is now official in China, with quite unique rear camera module. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Nova 13 features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen is protected by aluminosilicate glass on the top. Under the hood, the company haven't mentioned the processor of this device, and it packs with 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Nova 13 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 60-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with 100-degree field of view, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 100 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Harmony OS 4.2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.4 by 75.3 by 6.98 millimeters, and it weighs around 195 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Huawei Nova 13 has been priced in China for 256GB storage variant at 2,699 Chinese yuan, while the 512GB storage model is priced at 2,999 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 1TB storage option is priced at 3,449 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Loden Green, Star Black, Feather White, and Feather Purple color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from October 26th. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova 13 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.